Have you ever wondered how much space inside a triangle? The secret is surprisingly simple. Every triangle, no matter how tall and skinny or short and wide, is just half of a rectangle. Picture a perfect rectangle. Now, draw a diagonal line from one corner to the opposite one. You've just created two identical right-angled triangles. The area of the rectangle was its base times its height. So the area of one of those triangles must be half of that. That's where the formula comes from. Area equals 1/2 times base times height. This logic holds true for any triangle, even the lopsided ones. You can always imagine them fitting inside a box, taking up exactly half the space. But there's a critical catch, and it's where most people go wrong. The height isn't just any side. It must be the perpendicular height, the distance that meets the base at a perfect 90-degree right angle. Think of it like a flagpole standing straight up from the ground. Test questions will try to trick you by giving you the length of the slanty sides. Ignore them. If a triangle has a base of 10 and its slanty sides are 13, but a dotted line straight down from the peak is labeled 12, then 12 is your height. And what if you already know the area and need to find a missing side? Just reverse the process. A triangular sail has an area of 15 square meters and a base of 5 meters. How tall is it? First, undo the halving. Double the area. 15 becomes 30. Now you have the area of the imaginary rectangle. Just divide that by the side you know. 30 divided by 5 is 6. The mast is 6 meters tall. So, mastering triangle area comes down to two things. First, remember it's always half of a rectangle. And second, always find that straight 90-degree height and never fall for the slanty side.